to stay safe during a thunderstorm. So these are some indoor safety tips. So seek shelter, move in. Wait 1 second. So I was saying, seek shelter, move indoors immediately when you hear thunder. Stay away from windows. Stay away from windows, doors, and porches. Avoid electricity supply. Do not use electricity appliances, especially those plugged into the wall. Avoid running water. Avoid plumbing. Metal plumbing conducts electricity too, so avoid taking a bath or a shower. Stay away from concrete. Avoid concrete floors and the walls. Outdoor safety. Avoid open spaces. Stay away from open fields, high ground, and isolated objects like trees. Seek shelter. If you're caught outside, take shelter in a sturdy building or a car with a hard top. Avoid water. Stay away from bodies of water, including swimming pools, lakes, and rivers, if there's no shelter available. If you can't find a shelter, crouch down with your hands between your head between your knee, and your hand over your ears to mimic the with the ground. This weight is just fine. I'm gonna go to do some videos.
Where I take some of your weather questions and take a deeper dive into all of Western New York's weather-wise. The warmer weather is here, posing the potential for strong or severe thunderstorms. So the question is, do you know the basics of thunderstorm safety and how to keep you and your family safe? You may remember this video that we showed you from West Seneca from just the other week, as a thunderstorm unleashed an intense cloud-to-ground bolt of lightning. Major damage was inflicted on the home, but the woman living there, luckily, was unharmed. Incidents like this remind us why it's important to stay weather aware and remember certain safety measures in the event of a thunderstorm warning or a thunderstorm in progress. According to the National Weather Service, lightning is among the top 5 weather-related killers. This graphic shows the locations that most of these lightning deaths occur, typically under a tree or over open water. When thunder is roaring or a severe thunderstorm warning is issued, you need to act fast to stay safe. Your first move is to head indoors, away from doors or windows. If you're outside and can't take shelter, get into a hard-topped metal vehicle with the windows closed. The outer metal shell will provide protection, as the lightning will pass through the shell into the tires and then the ground. Once inside, avoid using devices that are plugged in. They can serve as a conduit for the electricity from lightning. Also avoid taking a bath or using the shower during a thunderstorm. If lightning strikes a building, it may travel through water pipes, increasing the risk of electrocution. Finally, wait 30 minutes until after the last clap of thunder before going back outside. Lightning can occur 10 to 15 miles away from where the storm is centered. Doing this will minimize the chance of being a lightning casualty. So now you know the basics of how to keep you and your family safe during a thunderstorm. Remember, when thunder roars, head indoors. Got a weather question that you'd like answered? Email me at weather@wkbw.com, and your weather question could be the subject of the next Josh's Weather Academy. I'm 7 weather meteorologist Josh Nichols. Stay weather-wise.